This 2023 Coachmen Prism Elite 24FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Frets RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk-over cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Coachmen Prism Elite 24FS is built on a 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Frets RV.